Hello everyone. Today I'm making this video to show you how I am going to be replacing the derailleur cable. It popped out on me, so I'm gonna. This is a William Tristina Cento Uno SR. These bicycles, the cable goes inside the frame, and it runs all the way through here uh, to the derailleur. So I'm gonna show you what I did before pulling this old cable out. I tied up a string to the end. So when I pulled it, it took the string all the way to here. So this is the string that I'm gonna use to tie up the end of my cable, the new cable, and hopefully when I pull this string out here, it's gonna bring it all the way to here. We're gonna see how it works. But this is the way I'm doing it. Hopefully this is helpful for somebody. This is a Campagnolo system. To pull the old cable, you're gonna see a tiny little hole here underneath the you put this up. Then you're gonna see this tiny little hole. This is where the cable goes in, and the cable comes out. The cable comes out. There you go. The cable comes out through here, and it goes. Hopefully, I don't have to remove the the um, the handlebar tape. I'm gonna try to do it like that and see if I can make it come all the way to here. I got the end of this cable off, so once I run the cable, I'm gonna put it back on, and then we'll see. Okay, this is the first part, so let's see. I'm gonna start doing it, and let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and run this cable through my shifter all the way here, the handlebar, and it's gonna come out through here to my cable. So cable cover, let's see. So I did a little stretching on my cable before putting it in, and I did a little bit, very minor lubrication on it. So I don't wanna forget this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. There it goes. But once you get this in, I'm trying not to bend this thing. I want to pull this back up. All right, so I'm gonna put this again. I'm gonna push this in. So now what I gotta do is see, I could do this, and I don't want to do this, because if you do that, then you might end up bending the cable. So you want to prevent that thing. I'm gonna push it back again and see. I hope you guys can see properly. Okay, there you go. Bear with me, this is the hard part. I might have to. There you go. Now I'm gonna push. Looks like it's in the little hole now. I'm gonna have to push. Okay, so we're gonna start pushing. Is going. Okay, now I got it in. As I got it in, I just gotta push in. The cable is running. You can see my hand is pushing in, very gentle. It's gonna come out here. Good thing I didn't have to remove the handlebar tape. So keep going. There you go. I have it. It's here now. As you can see, I got it just out. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is put this little part in the cable, and that's how I'm going to. Sorry, I'm holding the. There you go. Once I place this in, there you go. So now my next step is I'm gonna tie up this this string. I'm gonna tie it up right here, and and we're gonna pull the string in and see if I can bring the cable all the way to the end. Este stem que tengo es homemade. Yo lo hice. I made it, so it's not designed for do this type of work. So I'm gonna have to lift my bicycle. Oh, here actually the cable is here already. It's out here. No sé si ya saqué. Okay, the cable is right here. I can see. I got the bicycle right here. See, the reason why I flipped it is because my stand is not designed to do this type of work. So like I said, all I gotta do is push this cable in here. Now I'm gonna keep pulling right here. I'm gonna keep pulling the cable. Okay, I got it in already. So I'm gonna push the cable in. Hold on. Okay, so now I got it. I already got it in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bicycle back on my stand so you guys can see the rest. Keep pulling over here. Like I said, the reason why I do is I don't want to lose the stream. So, coming. If you want to come over here, take a look a little closer, please. It's gonna pull out over here. There you go. So I got the cable out. Just checking, making sure that the little, you guys can see the little circle there. That's where the little, the head cable is. So it looks like it's perfectly fine in the hole. So we're good here. Always make sure that your cables and everything is running perfectly fine. I'm using a little flashlight here, maybe it's too strong. I did put a tiny little bit, just a little bit of grease. Everything is okay here. The cable is running. I got it right here. I added a new cable here, also a low friction Campagnolo cable, and it's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this cable here. Bear with me. See this cable, to tighten it up, you don't have to do any strength. Just make sure that you're in the last gear, like I said, all the way down in your shifter over there. So you're all the way down here, and then you're just gonna put this cable. When you put this cable in, just tighten it up. That's it. I'm gonna put just when I am ready to pressure, I'm holding my telephone, but I'm gonna just put a little bit pressure with my hand when I tied it. Just a little bit, not much. Just enough to see this. I'm not putting too much pressure. Just making sure the cable is snug. I hold it right here with my hand. And that's it. I don't want to put too much pressure on the cable. And from here, I have to do just minor adjustments. So we're gonna see how it's gonna change now. I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna raise one, 2, 3. I wanna make sure it goes all the way up. Thumb up. See? That noise is because I'm on second. I'm gonna see. So when you put the cable back on, you don't have to put a lot of pressure. You just gotta make sure you're all the way down here. This is in case you have some little. You shouldn't adjust anything. Once you put the cable properly, you saw it's already running, and we got the cable. The brand new cable on the bicycle, and we're ready for our next adventure. Have a good night, have a good day, good morning, whatever time you are